For me, we're building this for the guy in the truck who's in the Starbucks or the Dutch Brothers drive-through, living on coffee, trying to get to the next job, scheduling things on their cell phone while they're at stoplights. Hey, I'm going to be late. Has the no-shows, all the things that are going on. The guy who's like great at what he does, but exhausted trying to run the business side and maybe not making it to all the baseball games, but getting the braces paid for. I'm passionate about this guy because my biggest regret in life is how much I worked when my kids were young.